Here I've got Huawei Y6P, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the more icon, select the blocked, and now if you would like to set some call block rules, just tap here, and you can either block all incoming calls, just tap here to do it, and now no stranger will be able to reach you. Then you can block also all unknown numbers or all private numbers. So this is it. And then you can also customize the messages. Just click on messages, block rules, and then you can block all unknown numbers. Then you can also block some particular caller. Let me pick this contact, click on more than, and if you would like to block him, just tap on block contact, and from now on this number will not be able to reach you. Then if you would like to remove it from your blacklist, just tap on more and then select remove. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can block contacts, block numbers in your device, and also how you can remove them from your blacklist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.